Hey everyone! Ever wondered how the same technology that explores the vastness of space can also protect the majestic creatures of our own planet? Well, sit tight because I'm about to take you on a fascinating journey, right from the orbits of Earth down to the habitats of tigers and elephants. Space, a final frontier, not just for exploration, but also for conservation. NASA, primarily known for space exploration, has turned some of its high-tech eyes in the sky towards Earth, focusing on a mission closer to home, saving endangered species. Imagine powerful satellites, initially designed to scan the cosmos, now watching over our planet's most threatened animals. The shift from studying stars to saving species is not just innovative, but also deeply impactful. Larger species like tigers and elephants, which roam vast territories, are particularly vulnerable to extinction due to habitat loss. But thanks to NASA's technology, hope is on the horizon. By utilizing infrared and spectroradiometer imaging, these satellites help ecologists identify previously unrecognized potential habitats. Yes, places where these majestic creatures could thrive, yet remain undiscovered by traditional on-ground efforts alone. Eric Sanderson, a researcher alongside NASA's biogeographer Keith Gaddis, highlights how crucial this satellite data has become. Satellites observe vast areas of Earth's surface on daily to weekly schedules, Gaddis explains. This capability is vital for monitoring habitats that are logistically challenging and time-consuming to survey from the ground. And the impact? Significant. For instance, by mapping vegetation health and analyzing geographic data, new possibilities for habitat restoration emerge. Imagine increasing the land base for tigers by 50% if these areas can be properly managed and protected. This integration of celestial technology with conservation efforts on Earth is not just about gathering data. It's about creating a future where humans and wildlife can coexist more harmoniously. It's about using the view from above to make a real difference on the ground. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that those stars aren't just providing a spectacle. The technology that reaches towards them is also protecting the spectacular wildlife that roams our planet. From orbit to Earth, from stars to tigers, NASA's mission is truly a testament to the wonders of innovation and the spirit of conservation. Thank you for joining me on this inspiring journey. Let's keep our eyes on the stars and our hearts with our planet's precious wildlife. Together we can make a difference. Until next time, keep caring, keep watching, and keep conserving.